Looking for the perfect educational robot to keep your kids learning and entertained without breaking the bank? First up, we have the Bottleboom STEM 13-in-1 Solar Power Robot Kit. This toy solves the problem of keeping older kids engaged in science by letting them build 13 different robotic designs that actually run on solar energy. It features a versatile solar panel and customizable gear sets that teach children about renewable energy and mechanical engineering firsthand. This is the perfect option for parents of kids aged 8 to 12 who love hands-on building projects. Imagine your child building a crawling beetle robot on a sunny afternoon and watching it march across the driveway using only sunlight. It is an amazing way to turn playtime into a real-world science experiment. Next at number 2 is the Hamourd Rechargeable Remote Control Robot. If your children get bored easily with stationary toys, this highly mobile robot solves that by bringing active, dynamic movement into your living room. It features a handy remote control, flexible head and arms, built-in music, and shining LED eyes that bring the character to life. Parents looking for an easy-to-use, rechargeable toy that encourages active play will absolutely love this choice. You can easily set it to auto demonstration mode and watch it perform a fun dance routine right on your living room rug. It keeps kids moving, laughing, and interacting with their new mechanical companion. Now for number 3, we are looking at the SmartyBot Interactive Remote Control Robot. This smart companion solves the challenge of finding a toy that adapts to your child's developmental growth through app integration. It features interactive app control, programmable movement sequences, and customizable LED eyes that change between 7 different colors. This is an excellent fit for tech-savvy kids ages 4 to 9 who want to learn the basics of coding. Picture your child playing their favorite song and watching the robot react to the music with custom dance moves they program themselves. It makes learning logic and technology feel like a fun dance party. Coming in at number 4 is the 98K Interactive Smart Talking Robot. This clever device solves the problem of finding a safe and reliable companion that can actually converse and interact with younger children. It features advanced touch and voice controls, safe ABS plastic construction, and singing and dancing modes that double as language learning tools. It is ideal for parents of toddlers and young kids aged 3 and up who need an engaging, interactive partner. Imagine your child giving a simple voice command to the robot and laughing as it repeats their words back in a funny voice. It keeps them entertained for hours while naturally building their communication skills. And finally, number 5 is the GILOBABY Smart Robot Companion. This interactive toy solves the challenge of encouraging early verbal and motor skills in toddlers through responsive play. It features responsive touch sensors, voice command recognition, and a voice recording playback mode that sparks endless creativity. This toy is perfect for parents of toddlers aged 3 to 5 who want to inspire early language development. You can record a sweet message and have your child trigger the playback by touching the robot's head sensor. It provides a wonderful way for young minds to connect physical actions with spoken words. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all these amazing robots. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Let us know in the comments which robot you are picking up or what you want us to review next. Keep exploring, and we will see you in the next video.